Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing videos and teaching you how to draw cartoons. Today's lesson, I'm going to teach you the 3 easy steps how to create Spider-Man. That's right. This style I created several years ago. I call it my pop art for the comic book characters. I have a lot of different ones from Marvel to DC. In the days and the weeks and the months ahead, I'm going to be introducing them on these videos. Alright, so if you have your pencil, like I do, and some paper, we're ready to go. Alright, let's begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final 3rd step. Whoa! Thanks for checking out my latest video on teaching you how to draw Spider-Man in 3 easy steps. Well, if you want to learn more about some of my videos, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching this video, and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.